Hey guys, season 4 of Bridgerton is now out, and to kick off the new release, I made these spa baskets for my daughters so that we can have a spa night watch party for the new season. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys all the things that I put together to make this basket. Now, when it comes to picking out a basket for the baskets that I have, I always go to Dollar Tree because they are so affordable and you don't have to spend a lot of money on a basket, guys. So Dollar Tree has so many different varieties and colors. I like this one because it's a square one and it's neutral, and I like to give baskets that people can reuse later. A lot of times if you give stuff that is like Christmas theme or Valentine's theme or any type of holiday themes, the person can't use it later on in their home because the colors just don't match. So I always like to go with neutral colors. That way they can use this bin or basket later on to organize their house, and they can reuse it and repurpose it so nothing is wasted. And I love this one because it's clear. I mean, not clear, it's plain white, so you could actually decorate it how you want it as well. And so what I plan to do is I plan to decorate this one for the Bridgerton theme, but also use this basket for Valentine's Day as well, and switch it out for different decor for, you know, different seasons for my daughters. So for the Bridgerton theme, I'm going with the flower theme because everything that I purchased had this flower theme to it. And I found these wall decals at Dollar Tree. They are so beautiful, and I'm so impressed with them that I actually are thinking about doing something with this on my wall in my craft room / office. I have an idea of what I want to do on my wall, and I was going to purchase these flower wall decals from Amazon, but these right here are gorgeous, beautiful, and I can actually use them on this bin, you know, for my daughters to decorate for this bin, and then I could take them off and reuse them for my wall. So I love the fact that I can reuse this as well, and my daughters don't mind that I reuse the bins for them as well. So I love this bin because, like I said, I could put the flowers decorations on them right now, and then when I do their Valentine's basket, which I'll share with you guys soon, I could switch them out for Valentine's decor. So either way, when it comes to the bins and baskets, always pick something. If you're giving it to somebody that you're not going to get it back, give them a bin or basket that they can reuse in their home. Or if you have kids like I do and you are constantly making baskets for them, get a basket or bin that you can change out the decor on top. And with it being plastic, you could put these decals on them and just switch them out for the holidays so you're not wasting money. But here's how this basket bin turned out. I like how it came out. It's so cute. You could decorate it any way you want. And like I said, you can reuse these decals so you could take them off and reuse them later. Now, when it comes to the filler of the baskets, you can use shredded paper or you can use tissue paper. I'm just using tissue paper because that's what I have on hand. So I used a light baby pink tissue paper and I kind of like crunched it up and put them in, and I used 3 pieces. But if I had more, I actually probably would have put like maybe 4 or 5 just so it could be a little bit more fuller, but 3 was just fine for what I had, but I would suggest 4 or 5. Now, if you guys saw my cutest Walmart clothing haul video that's all about the pinks, hearts, bows, and flowers, I share with you guys a bunch of cute clothes, and in there I share with you these cute, adorable pajamas from Joy Spun. They had a bunch of different designs. It comes with so many like prints and designs, but I really loved this flowery like pink print because it reminded me of the Bridgerton theme and the flower theme. So I definitely wanted to get a set for me and my girls to kind of kick off our spa night and our watch party night, to be in pajamas, because who doesn't want to be in pajamas during a watch party? And of course, when you're doing a spa night, you got to have new pajamas. So I got a set for me and my girls, and this was like the first thing that I wanted to put in our basket. I wanted the pajamas to sit up, so I took them off the hangers, and I had a piece of, you know, tag board that you can get at Dollar Tree. I had a piece of it, and I decided I was going to put it inside of the pajamas and kind of fold it over it and then tuck it into the basket like that. And I didn't mind using the black one because I actually thought that the pajama was going to cover it, because as you can see, I'm trying to cover it at first with it, and then I noticed that I did want to see, I wanted the actual print of like the V neckline to show. So then I was trying to figure out how having it show, and then I was like, you know what, maybe I should have used white tag board, but then I was like, it doesn't matter because once I start putting this stuff in it, it will cover the black. But I was trying my best to fold this to make it look nice because I wanted like the flowery print to be on the top, but then I knew that if I had like some of the stuff poking out like the black, I could easily cover it with some things. But I was trying my best trying to cover everything. I put a rubber band around it. I was really trying to make this look as nice as possible in this thing, but it was giving me a headache. I was just maneuvering it so much trying to fix it, and in the end I ended up keeping it like this, but I was like just wanted it to be different, and I tried to have it to where the black didn't show. But like I said, I was like, okay, I can cover it up with the things I'm going to put in the bin in the basket. Eventually with the second basket, which I don't show, what I did was I just took the shorts and I put the shorts over the piece of tag board, and then I put the shorts inside the shirt and then folded it that way, and then you don't see the black at all. But either way, it came out okay. I put it in the basket, and I'm eventually going to cover it with some stuff so you won't see the actual black pieces, but this was giving me a headache. So if you guys have a tip on how to fold pajamas that come in hangers around a box that makes it look nice in a basket, please let me know. If you have videos on it or anything like that, let me know your tips. You guys have the best tips. So if you guys have ever, like, you know, displayed pajamas in a basket or something, or you've seen a video where someone's done it, please let me know, because this thing was stressing me out and it was getting on my nerves. So whenever I make baskets, I always like to add the pajamas first, and they always go in the back. And like I said, I'm gonna add things in the front, so it's gonna cover it up. But I always add it in the back first, and then I add in the other things. So for this basket, I have this Dove Bridgerton Collection body wash, and also this Dove Bridgerton Collection body scrub. Now, if you guys have been following me on TikTok or Instagram, you saw that I shared with you guys a reel of, you know, the Bridgerton collection that's at Target right now. They have like the body wash, the sprays, all different things. Definitely go check it out. These little foot mask and hand mask, I found it at Five Below, and I shared that with you guys in my Five Below haul. They have the beautiful flowery print. I thought it would be perfect for us to have for our little spa nights. We haven't had no foot mask or hand mask, so this will be something different for my girls. So I like to get them new and different things that they haven't gotten in the baskets before. So I thought that was really, really cute. And like I said, you can see that in the Five Below haul. And then also I got, because Five Below had all this beautiful like floral print stuff, I also got the satin cap bonnets, which me and my daughters wear. We have curly hair and it really protects our hair at night, but satin bonnets can be worn on any type of hair, guys. It really does protect your hair at night to keep the moisture in. So I suggest it to anybody. They also had this little like plush headband that is so pretty. It's twice the size of the ones that you get at Dollar Tree for only $3. So I think it's such a good deal. All the stuff that I got was actually a good deal. The places that I got it from, they were very, very affordable. They also had this headband as well. Now the other one that I got, I like using that for like when we're doing our self-care night, and then, you know, doing like our little facial stuff. And then for this headband, I like using this type of headband for my makeup because it takes my hair back and I'm able to do my makeup. But you can use these bands for either or. Some people like to use the other one for makeup and the other one for, you know, when they're doing their facial things. You can really use this for whatever you guys like, but I got two for my daughters, two different kinds for me and my daughters, so that we can have we can have one for makeup and then one for our facial care. So here's how the baskets turned out, and they came out so cute. Sometimes I have an idea for baskets, but I never know how they're going to turn out until I put them together. And I love how everything came out, especially how the flowers look on these bins and all the stuff inside it. It looks so nice. I already gave this to my girls and they love it. They can't wait to try all the new, you know, the spa stuff, and they've already used the headbands already for their facial stuff last night, and they used the other one for their makeup this morning. And I do, just for reference, my girls are 16 and 20. I know a lot of people are probably thinking like I'm letting them watch Bridgerton. They are 16 and 20, and because we have the 16-year-old, we do fast forward through those parts of Bridgerton that they shouldn't see yet. I know some people will let their 16-year-olds watch those parts, but I don't. So we do watch it together because I do love the storyline of Bridgerton, and so does my girls. And so when it comes to those other parts that I just don't want my 16-year-old to watch, we fast forward through that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you make baskets for different theme nights or different like watch party nights? This is the first time we kind of make a basket for like a little watch party of a new show, but we're excited about it. Stay tuned. I will be sharing with you guys the stuff that we do that night. I do have some desserts and snacks that I'm making for the watch party, and I'll be sharing them with you guys. Also, we'll be trying on the masks, so I will let you guys know in real time if they're actually really good, if we should buy them again from Five Below. So just stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.